'67 Biscayne.
Yep.
And it's got 3 taillights in the back.
Yeah. Kind of weird. You can't really distinguish it from an Impala.
You would figure it was an Impala, right?
Yeah.
I mean, with the 3 lights.
Yeah. It says Biscayne on a steering wheel, and that's the only place.
Wow.
This is really a stripper. I mean, it don't even have the light to turn on. It doesn't have the pin to turn on the light.
Look at that. It says Biscayne on the steering wheel. How cool is that?
Besides the title. But it's still pretty solid, I think.
What engine came in this one?
6-cylinder, 230, 3 on the tree.
Wow. Well, good home for that frame.
It is. Be a real good home for it. I mean, this is rusty and shit, but everything's rusty and shit when it gets to be 70 years, 60 years old.